Gorgeous and immaculately kept home in desirable golf course community and growing area. This spacious 3-bedroom, 2 full bath split floor plan has an oversized lot, beautifully landscaped with curbing in the front and backyard, and includes many additional improvements and upgrades. The tour begins with plenty of parking for guests with a circular drive for extra parking and overextended 2-car garage. Meticulous landscaping with low voltage uplighting in the front and back of the home that is warm and welcoming to enjoy those Florida sunsets. Freshly interior painted, large family room with custom double tray ceiling and crown molding throughout. Dedicated inside laundry room that is spacious with built-in cabinets offering plenty of storage. Hardwood floors in family room and dining room with tile in all wet areas. Separate dining room for those special gatherings and open kitchen with granite countertops and eat-in area large enough for a dinette. Master bedroom has double walk-in closets, sliders to the lanai with a great view, and a large master bath with granite countertops, shower and tub. Ceiling fans in family room, all bedrooms and outside lanai. Large sliders offer breathtaking views into the screened lanai and overlooking the beautiful mature landscaping and yard large enough to add your own pool. Guest bath leads to the backyard as a true pool bath option. There is plenty of storage throughout this home for all your belongings. No CDD and very low annual HOA dues. The community is a golf course community, so get your clubs and cart ready and schedule a showing today.